We're Boston guys, all of them. Bobby Orr, Yaz, Larry Bird, and of course the king of them all, Chet Curtis. Come on, give it up for Chet Curtis. He inspired my hair, Chet Curtis. Look at that, look at that. Chet Curtis taught me to do that in the men's bathroom. I'll tell you what else he taught me later on. I get home